Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious flan at home using an easy method. We'll start by creating the rich caramel base. You'll need just 1 cup of granulated sugar, melted slowly over medium heat until it turns a beautiful amber color. Be careful, as hot sugar is very sticky. Once melted, quickly pour it into your prepared molds, ensuring an even coating on the bottom before it sets. Next, let's prepare the creamy custard. In a large bowl, gently whisk 4 large eggs with 1 can of sweetened condensed milk and 1 1/2 cups of whole milk. Incorporate 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic aroma. Mix until everything is just combined, being careful not to overwhisk and create too many air bubbles, which can affect the flan's texture. Now it's time to bake our flan to perfection. Carefully pour the prepared custard mixture over the hardened caramel in your ramekins or baking dish. Place these molds into a larger baking pan. Fill the larger pan with hot water, reaching about halfway up the sides of your flan molds. This water bath ensures even cooking. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 60 minutes. Once baked, remove the flan from the oven and let it cool completely on a wire rack. This step is crucial for a smooth texture. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator and chill for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edge, place a serving plate on top, and invert it quickly. The caramel will cascade beautifully over your perfect flan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.